How
I
to
woke up and
feed
had 7
5
eggs to
kids
my
with
name.
7
Count 'em
eggs.
up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. I need to feed 5 kids with 7 eggs. Looked in the cabinet. Yes, Lord, I found me some Spam. Now, some of y'all may be too good for Spam. We ain't. And I had some leftover rice. One thing I can tell a mama with a lot of kids, keep you some rice. I fried up them eggs, added the leftover rice, and fried down that Spam. Now, for some, this may do it. But for me, I got some heavy hitters. I gotta make some toast too. Just a little filler. So we got Spam, egg, rice, peaches. Found a little can of peaches in the cabinet, and toast with apple jelly.